How to change your object profile from a string of letters to your username, description, and socials. You're watching Victory Site, and let's get started. If you haven't watched the hen tutorial, I'll suggest watching it as you can use the same profile of hen on object also. In simple terms, you basically set up your TZKT profile or your Tezos Explorer profile to go from this to this. Let's see how we can do it. If you have a hen profile, you can use the same Temple wallet to log in into object.com. So go to object and click on the sync button. Select Temple and it will ask to confirm a transaction. Connect with it and it will ask another sign request. Just sign it and you are good to go. Now you'll see all your hen NFTs on object also, but it doesn't ask you for a profile setup. So let's see how we can change that. Go to the Twitter link mentioned in the description. It will take you to the Breaking Bad Twitter account. It's the official account used to verify the Tezos Explorer profiles. You'll see it gives a Google Forms link. It is also given in the description. You can directly click the form link to go to the form also. And it will open up a listing application form. You need basic things like account address, your username, an avatar image, a transaction which I'll show you how to do. You can also add an email and a website if you have one, and all your social accounts. Let's fill the form. For your account address, go back to object and click on your Tezos profile address. It will open up the Tezos Explorer. In your account, go to the copy account address and click the copy button. Then you just paste your account address in the first option. Then your name, that will be your username which will be showed up on your profile. Then add an image. You need to upload one to Google Drive and then select it. Here comes the crucial step. You need to transfer some Tezos to the verification account so they know it's your account. So just copy this account given in the form and open your Temple wallet. Click on the send button and add the account in the recipient box. Then you need to add an amount of Tezos. So you can go as low as 0.000001, that is 5 zeros and a 1 at the end. Don't go lower than that or the transaction might not proceed. So click on send and it will add a gas fees also. So just click on confirm and your Tezos will be sent to the listing account. So to check the transaction, click on your Temple wallet again and click on activity tab. Then open your last transaction in Block Explorer. So you'll see that you have transferred 0.000001 Tezos to the TZKT verification account. In the top left corner you can see the operation and there's a copy symbol. So click on that to copy the operation hash. Go back to the form and paste it in the answer. Next, you have to follow the Breaking Bad Tezos account. So just go to the tweet and follow them. Next, you just add your email, your website, Twitter and Instagram link and other socials if you want to. I haven't added an email because it's publicly available. Then add a description and you are good to go. Check the form and click on submit to submit your application. If you go to the Breaking Bad Twitter, you can see that it takes usually 72 hours to process your application. If it takes more than that, they've told you that you can contact them on Twitter, as you can see here in this tweet.
2 days later.
So it's been 2 days and I haven't checked if I'm verified or not. So I'll just go to the TZKT Explorer and there you can see that my username is added and my description and the socials are added as well. I did not give an email so it's not added there. Let's check on object also. So if I go to my account, you'll see that the description is there, the Twitter and website is also there and my username is also there. but the image is missing, which is not actually the case. It's just missing in my browser only because the cache image might have been saved as this cat only. If I just copy this link and open it in an incognito window, it loads up just fine and it adds my image also. So anyone visiting my page for the first time or my profile for the first time will actually see the image. The same case is with the object marketplace also. So if I go and copy my object profile and paste it in a guest window, you will see that it successfully shows the image also. So as I'm editing this video, I actually found how to load your image if it's not showing up. So all you have to do is open your object profile, right click on the page and click inspect. Then you just have to go to the reload button, right click on it and click on empty cache and hard reload. It will reload the page again and clear the cache as well. So it worked for me and it showed the image after that on. So that's how you fix the image. Also a little update, after I got verified, I got 3 sales. So it might be due to the verification process, because I have seen some Twitter threads where collectors say that they prefer verified profiles over unverified ones. This is not confirmed and don't just take my word for it, but it's better if your profile is verified and it looks authentic as well. So on your object profile, if you go to the activity tab, you can see the recent sales. If there's a new sale, it will come under notifications. But you do not get any notifications for any sales because it does not ask you for any email or stuff like that. But there's a way you can get notified for every sale you make. Click on your Tezos profile, and on your profile along with balance there's a notification bell. Click on that and it will take you to the Tezos notifier bot. So this is a Telegram bot, as you can see here, and it sends you a message every time you make a sale. So just click on send message and preferably do this from just copy your TZKT Explorer address and open it on mobile, or you can go to object from mobile and click on this link to open it and then click on the notification bell. That will take you to Telegram directly. So if you click on send message, the bot will send you a message like this and it will give you the commands you can use along with it. Here's another video where you can check how to create NFTs for free on OpenSea. That was it for the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.